So what I'm about to show you is how to download, install, log in on online class using Lark application. Okay, let's go ahead and proceed the first step, that is how to download. Okay, sa pag gamit mo ay Android phone, of course, kailangan mo ay Google Play. So type mo lang Lark and then click that one. So meron diyang option download and install, and install kapag hindi mo pa na-install ang Lark. Since na-install ko na kasi ang Lark, kaya nakalagay na open. Again, doon naman sa iOS or sa iPhone, sa App Store ka pupunta. Again, in search button, you have to type also Lark, and then lalabas na doon yung Lark application. And then install, and then just follow the instruction and wait for the application to completely install on your mobile device. Okay, let's go ahead and open the Lark application. Okay, so you have there sa akin, let me show you first on how to log in. That is how to log out naman. First thing is how to log in. The first you need and Lark require you to have and to enter is the email address. Again, use the email address, official email address of the school provided for the student. Okay, so mine, I'm going to use my personal email. It is because this is only for the demonstration purposes only. Sa estudyante, para sa'yo, gagamitin mo is the official email address of the school. Let's go ahead and input the email address. Okay. Okay, there you go. So you have there the email address. Then go ahead and click the next button. Then it will pop out this window, require you to input the 6-digit na isinend ni Lark application on your email address na in-input mo kanina. Let's go ahead and proceed or open the email address. Okay, so there you go. Punta tayo sa inbox. Kung wala pa, just refresh only the email address. Click that one. Pwede mo i-type that 6-digit code, or you just can copy that and paste it on the Lark application. So yung blue 6-digit number, code, then copy. Again, to highlight everything, just code, then copy. And then let's go back to Lark application, hold on to the first box, and then click paste. Then let's wait na maka-successfully login tayo sa Lark application. Okay, there you go. So dyan na tayo. So sa right side on the screen, nandiyan yung mga settings, favorites, invite, Patreon, team contact, and device. So ito, kung hindi mo makita yung section ng ginawa ng teacher para sa'yo, para sa estudyante, click this blue square para makita yung section. Just click the option on the left side of the screen. Let's say for example, just click that one to switch the theme or the section. Pero minsan, isa lang makikita mo dito kasi wala ka namang ibang sinali. Pero pag marami na, mas marami kang sinalihang, I think you need to have 8 or 10 section. So let's go back to switch to SHA classroom. So yun yung provided. So yan yung inbox. Let's proceed sa inbox. Okay, so you have there the meetings, the calendar, documents, and then the contacts. So yung mga features ni Lark. So, SHA classroom. Switch tayo. Ayan, so you have there. So essentially classroom, pag hindi naman makita yung section, the first one on the message. So let's click that one. Again, Lark application is not only for online class, but also you can use this for private messaging or instant messaging. Just click, let's say for example, you want to give your teacher, good morning. Good morning, sir. And then click the arrow to send the message. You have the smile icon for emoticons, and you have the add to mention the specific person on the class. And you can send also a voice message. You can also upload pictures if you wish to that, and then send. And then you can also send files. Dito ka rin magsisend ng files. So mamaya i-discuss ko rin on how to share. Kunyari may pinapa-send si teacher na files using Lark application. Paano mo i-share yun directly on your gallery from your pictures? Kasi ang pagsisend ng mga activities through pictures, pipicturean ng activity, then is-send through Lark application. Sa file naman, you can choose which file you like to send. You can have a word, you can have pictures, or you can have word application. So dyan mo isa-send yan. Okay, so you have there. So let's try to join now on the class. So makikita mo to yung rectangle na yan. You have the top. You have the title of the class of the day. The meeting ID, pwedeng i-provide dyan ni teacher para makalog in ka sa kanyang online class. That is another way to join the online class on Lark application. Now, since na-inad ka na ni teacher sa online class, you don't need the meeting ID. All you have to do is to click the join. The timer is running indicates that the online class is already ongoing. So it is been 9 minutes na nag-run yung klase. Pag late na, that is very late. But this is only for the purpose of the demonstration. Let's go ahead and join the class. Okay. And then you have, before joining again the class, before entering the online class, you have to turn off the mic to avoid too much noise on your background para tahimik ang klase. And again, do not turn off the camera. That is a no-no. Hindi mo pwedeng i-turn off ang camera during the online class. Okay, let's go ahead and click the okay, there you go. So yan, kita mo this like once you open and join on the online class. So yan, nasa baba, picture. Okay, pag naputol lang, okay, there you go. So that is it. Sa baba, pictures. Pwede ka mag-just click on. Again, you can navigate from one application to another application. Okay, let me turn off first. So, say for example, tapos na ang ating discussion for today. Tapos na ang discussion ni teacher. So, all you have to do is to leave the classroom kasi may susunod ka pang klase. Now, just click the microphone icon to leave the classroom. Okay, there you go. So, yeah. So, that is how to download, install plugin Lark application using your mobile phone, and also how to lead the online class. So this time naman, how to send a file. Let's say for example, ni-required ka ni teacher na picturean mo ang activity. Tapos ka na sa activity, picturean mo yung mga answer mo on your books, or may pinapasend sa yung files. Let's say for example, nasa gallery yung files mo. Let's open the gallery. Okay, so that's example. Ito yung files na kailangan mo i-send sa teacher. Okay, just click share. Okay, so lalabas yung mga files na yan. So all you have to do is click Lark yung application. Click that one, the Lark, and then send to myself. You have the option there, and send to chat. Of course, not to self, but send to chat. Click the send to chat. So, ano yung section? Sa anong section ka na? Kung ano yung section na pabilang or anong subject niya pinapasend. So, you have the SHA classroom to the system. And then, just click send. There you go. So, kikita mo na send na yung basta na nandyan na yung files, picture man yan, word man yan, or answer mo sa yung activity. That is how to share and send the file using the Lark application. Okay, I think that's it for now. I think I already discussed everything you need to know on how to use Lark application. That's it for now. Thank you for watching my video again, and God bless us all.